Now let's talk about 2 ways of how to drop the link on your webinar group class and get people with your membership offer. So that is this idea of making passive offers and making full-blown offers on your webinar group classes. Making a passive offer is quite simple to do. For example, if someone on a group call asks you a certain question and you answer that question, you simply say to them then, hey, if you would like to be guided on this journey of getting over this problem or whatever they asked you, right? You could find the link down below in the chat and join my membership program and come to my weekly group classes where I'm gonna guide you on this journey. And guess what? If you make an offer, even if in this kind of passive way, someone might just click and join because they loved your answer right now. They want to see more of you. Trust me, 5-10% people will always take action when you give them an offer. So that's making a passive offer, just always pointing people to your membership program, and everyone else will be listening. They will be like, oh, this person's got a membership program. Oh, it's $97 a month, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that person just joined because he or she dropped the link, right? You like you, right? You dropped the link, right? And then your new member joined and everyone's gonna see that, right? And stuff like that. Because you could even say, oh, I just saw that you clicked the link and you joined my membership, right? And then everyone is gonna see that, and that's where this energy and connection happens, right? And you're gonna be like, if anyone else wants to know more about it, guys, you can ask me a question about how it is to be part of my membership program. As you can see now, here is the borderline between making a passive offer or a full-blown membership offer. That's a borderline, right? You are telling now everyone that it's possible to join your membership program. And how you're gonna do that is that after you taught people a lot of stuff, you answered a lot of people's questions, you're gonna simply say, hey guys, if anyone would like to keep participating in this kind of energy that you just experienced right now, there is a way that you could join our support group and keep interacting with all of us on weekly group sessions and as part of our course in the community, right? I am dropping the link right now to our $97 per month membership program, and anyone who is interested in joining us right now on this session, I am willing to answer your question, of course, so we get you signed in. But also I'm gonna spend the next 15 to 20 minutes to get you started, and I'm already gonna coach you, I'm gonna onboard you, and I'm gonna tell you what's next, so you know what to do before our next group call, which is, I don't know, next Wednesday or whatever, right? I can get you started right now. I'm dropping the link right now. Whoever is gonna click on it, whoever is gonna pay, whoever is gonna join right now, I'm gonna see that and I'm gonna already get you started. Do you see how I talk, right? That's how I talk here when I do my group classes, group webinar sessions, right? And I sign people from a group environment into my membership program, and quite a few of them join. To be honest, if you have 10-15 people and even if 2 or 3 join from your webinar class, guess what? You just made another $200-300 per month, right? And you then just keep stacking and keep stacking, right? Now, to be honest, I have run webinar group classes when I didn't even make an offer to people. I was just like, all right, I'll teach and I'll do the Q&A. And then later, after the group session, I followed up with those people and I was like, hey, how did you enjoy my session, right? Hey, we can go on a private call as well and we can talk things further, right? I mean, that's not exactly what I said, but something similar, right? That's why you need to master the idea of how to do the DMs or email conversations and book calls, right? There is 3 ways of how to get people from the DMs to the calls. I'll not teach you that right now, but after the webinar class you can follow up with some people and get with them on calls.